What up, y'all? Sweet here. And if y'all want to know how I went from this to this, please stay tuned.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal.
What up, y'all? Sweepy Love 22 here, back at it with another quick video. Okay, let's just jump right into it. All right, so y'all already know when I'm in a bathroom, she got ideas. I was thinking about some ting. So y'all know, or you may not know, but like I cut it all off. Big chop, clank clank, it's gone. Cut it all off. It's been about 3 months now. I want to say about 3 months post the big chop, and I'm getting a little bored. She been washing and going, but I'm getting bored. I was gonna braid it up, but I figured before I braid it up, let me try something cool. So I'm thinking about doing a mohawk. Okay, a curly mohawk, but get this with hair. Add some hair with it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking shave the sides. Hold on, let me give y'all a visual. Hold on. Let me give you a visual. So my homegirl sent me this picture almost 3 years ago because initially she thought it was me. I was like, thank you, because the girls looked real cute. Well, her side profile looked real cute. But I've saved it in my phone since because I was always like, yo, this is dope. I want to do it. So I think I'm going to try it this weekend. Hold on, let me show y'all. Can y'all see that? Hopefully y'all can see that. But this picture right here, I've been wanting to try since she sent it. And I just saved it in my phone. Even when I got the new phone, I saved it because I was like, it's got to happen. But currently, my hair ain't this much. You know what I'm saying? It's more like this much. Although it's growing. I'm going to show y'all in a minute. It's growing. We got about this much length. So I'm thinking do the style, but with hair, because I kind of... Sorry, am I overly glossy? My fault, y'all. I kind of want to see it with hair because I feel like this style might be too masculine with the length that my hair is now. Although I'm willing to try it, but I want to try it with hair first. So get this. I just ran through the beauty supply store and I bought this. Okay, can y'all see this? This is that bundle pack or whatever, the clip-in bundle pack, and it comes with like many different sizes to clip it. So get this. I was thinking like part my hair in the same shape as this, but part it in a V shape going all the way back, then add this to it either by using the clip-ins or use glue. I might actually take the clip-ins out and glue it down, depending on how it looks. And then have my son's barber do the cool thing on the side. But I'll probably only do the line on the right side. But yeah, that's the visual. So I'm hoping these, and this I got, like I said, from my local beauty supply store. It was $25.99, but I believe Amazon has it as well. So I will, if I can find, I'll put a link in the description bar just in case y'all wanted to cop this. Because I believe Amazon has it as well. Just in case your local beauty supply store don't have it. So let me just show y'all what we're working with right now. It's not washed. I'm about to go wash it right now. But I just don't do that. I just wanted y'all to see what it's looking like right now. It's really dry. I think the last time I washed my hair was Monday. It is Friday. What day is it? It's Friday, October 21st, y'all, at 6 something. Yeah. So yeah, I'm thinking, I'm gonna wash it real quick because it's really dry. Last time I washed it was Monday and I haven't really put no oil in it since then, so it's a little dry. So I'm thinking, visualize with me now, visualize. I'm gonna do the part myself and do it all the way to the back, like a V shape in the back, okay? Y'all got it? Got it. And then I'm gonna put these in row by row. Got it? Got it. Okay, so then I'm going to put it in a ponytail. But I think I'm going to put it like, okay, so the lines will start here, but I'll put the tracks in the middle. That way when he edges up the side, it'll look more natural. You still with me? I don't know how this going to look. in my mind, I think it's going to be so dope. But sometimes things in your mind don't be coming out as dope as you would like. So let me just go ahead and wash my hair real quick and then get the parts going. And then I'll be back. Yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a little quick of what she was thinking about. But she growing 3 months post. You know what I'm saying? We got a little something. Got a little something. Look, not the bang. The bang. Ooh. 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 It's a bang. So unnecessary. So it's growing. But yeah, it's really dry. Let me shower and I'll be back. Okay. So. Now, y'all, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this right here. The mark of the demarcation mark or whatever you want to call it is like serious. So I don't know if I need to make the tracks come longer, or maybe make my part like, okay, like let me show you guys. Maybe I should thin out my part, that way it's not such a huge difference. Or I can maybe have it fold over, because in the picture it looks like her hair is folding over a little bit. Y'all, I don't know. Or maybe the barber can like, I don't know. I'm in here low-key struggling. You know you done lost your whole mind when you bought weave just to cut it up. Luckily it wasn't that much though. This is only like 25. But I'm low-key struggling. Just, I mean, not a real struggle, but a light struggle. Like I'm trying to figure it out. Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out. Bruh. Hold on. Like I can probably do a twist out on all of the side here. That way it blends better. But the way my 4C hair is set up, I don't know how long that's going to last throughout the day. You feel me? So I'm thinking the best bet is to kind of keep it going this way. You know what I'm saying? And kind of like flipping over the sides to disguise what's happening. I'm trying to think, even if I put like Ego Styler, I don't know what's that's going to give. Because the way my hair texture is set up, like... So let me see. I might have to cut it down some more. See, this is kind of cute though. This right here. Is this giving something? Is it? Child, I don't know. I just don't know how the barber would fix. Let me see. Like, I'm not sure. Like, I would have to tease. And I'm just hoping, like, I just did a part and then added the hair, part and added the hair. So you guys can kind of see my hair right there. But I'm going to tease it so much that you can't see it. Or that's the plan anyway. Oh, man. Well, you know what I just thought? Bobby pins could be my friend with this. Bobby pins could be my friend with this. Because I could just... Child, not me cutting almost with a wet fat. Jeez. Okay, I feel like it's almost... I feel like it's almost doing what I wanted to do. Almost. Like, am I tripping? See, and I'm kind of like disguising this right here with the hairs and bringing it down and then forward. Okay, so I use this bobby pin here, about 5 of these on each side to kind of pin the fake hair going this way to kind of hide my hair, you know, kind of disguise it. I think I did all right. Let me come in close so you guys can see it. But yeah, I kind of pinned it downward. And then I also did it over here too. Y'all, I don't know, like when I go to this man tomorrow, he's probably gonna be like, what are you, why? I mean, but he makes men's them little men's wave caps. Like, I'll insert a picture, but you know how the men be doing the fake waves. He does that, so he's seen it all. But I just have a feeling when I come in there, he's gonna be like, ma'am. But I think I kind of got the look that I was going for. And I just need to, you know, get my little balls on the side here, you know what I'm saying, cut off. But that's it. It's late. It's like after 11 o'clock. It's 12:13. So I think I might just sleep in this tonight and then wake up and have it ready and then go straight to the barber. So we'll see, y'all. I don't even much know. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, hey, I'm back and it's a new day. Today is Saturday, October 22nd, and we at the spot. We're at my son's barber's new spot. I'm actually waiting for him to pull up now so he'll tell us where to go because I've never actually been to this spot. Little man's in the back. Say hi, little man. I don't know what face he just gave. But yeah, so I got the stuff ready and sectioned off and ready to go, and yeah, we'll see you guys in a little bit. This should be interesting. I'm really hoping he can like make the back look natural because remember it's clip-ins, and then yeah, I don't know y'all, but I'm ready to see how this gonna look. We'll be back. Sorry, let it adjust. Sorry, y'all. Hold on, let me let it adjust on my face. Is it adjusting? It should adjust in a second. But she's home. Oh my god, and I freaking love it. Okay, let me sit the camera down. Hold on, let me sit it down. All right, y'all. So I freaking love it. My son's barber is the truth. So I showed him the picture that y'all saw in the earlier clip, and you know, he came through for your girl. Like, it looks so freaking good. And I'm super excited. So I'm just gonna kind of show y'all while I'm like standing still how it looks. And then the back. And then the side here. Hopefully you guys can see it, the side. And then the front. Oh my god, I'm super excited about it. Oh my god, I really like, I love this. Like, love it. Like, let's do a side by side. Hold on. All right, so picture here and then me. I freaking love it. So I think the girl here, she has hers on the left side of her head. I did mine on my right because the right side is my best side. You feel me? So I just love things on the right, and plus my nose ring is already on the left, so I kind of feel like it kind of, you know, coincides with my, you know, my artistic ways, but I freaking love it. So there is a little bit of a difference in textures, but not that noticeable. Like, I freaking love it. He came through for your girl. kidding. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I really like it a lot. I just want y'all to see what it do, what it do, what it do, what it do. All right, I'm doing too much. Peace. I'll check in with y'all later. Bye.